How to clean live cache on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clean live cache on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and now just click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings, and here you will find settings, then just click this one, clean storage, and after you click on it just click here live cache, and turn everything off and then click live cache and then just click clean, and as you see live cache have been cleaned. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.